Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, friends. So, listen to me, all of you. What I do, the country of build a road is planning to improve the transport infrastructure, laying the roads, connecting all parts of country. The National Road Board (NRCB) has the following guidelines in place for the building roads. The roads has to be laid using three types of material. That is bitumen. The next one is cement. Here we see here bitumen, tar, cement, and all that thing. Okay, that brief is given to us. We don't have to write again. And there are three categories of road: rural, national highway, and interstate free. The four types of contractors: A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. I'll take it here itself, friends. A, B, C, and D. There are limits for them. Like A, only rural roads, and he has up to a limit of how much? Rural roads a limit up to 200 kilometers. So less than or equal to 200 kilometers he can lay. Then he is called contractor A. The next one, contractor of type B, whereas B can lay roads of any length of rural roads and national highway. So all rural roads here, this fellow can take all rural roads contract plus national highway contract. He can take it. National highway contract up to 200. This one. Now see all of you. Type C, any can lay all types of roads except ISF. That means he can take up a contract of rural roads plus national highway unlimited. There is no length, end length. Except ISD. ISD he cannot lay the roads. Sorry, ISF. Except ISF. ISF. And what is contractor D? Contractor D, a contractor of type C can lay all the types of roads except beyond. One second. A contractor of type C lay all type of roads except ISF beyond 400. That means his limit is ISF less than or equal to 400. Up to 400 is the limit. And what about contractor D, friends? Contractor D is a super contractor. He can lay anything. So he can go for rural road, he can go for national highway, he can go for ISF, all three of any length also. He's a super contractor, he said. Okay. Now further, what did he say, friends? Listen. Further, some costing and all that are given to us. We read only once, that's more than enough. It is that it is. If the length of the road is up to 200 kilometers, the cost of the first 50 kilometers is 15 to 10 standard cost. One second, I'll read it from here. Okay. Now see, that is if the length of the road is given. If the length of the road is up to 50, it is charging 10 rupees for bitumen. Tar 10% more than 10 rupees. That means 11 rupees. You can say 10 rupees here, 11 rupees here, 12 rupees here. Between 151, I mean 51 to 100, 51 to 100, 8 rupees charge. That means 8 rupees here, 8.8 rupees charged here, 7 point, no, I'm sorry, it's 9.6 here, 20% more. If it is a cement road, then anything above 100, 5 rupees charge, that means 100% 5 rupees, 10% more means 5.5, and this 120, that is 20% more than 5 means 6 rupees charge. And this is average cost for which one? Rural area. The roads in rural area, rural roads we talk about here. Okay, this is to be continued now. Now, in case of the road happen to be a national road, then the contractor is paid additional 1 lakh over and above the cost laying the road as calculated in the above. Okay, so 1 lakh per road if it is national highway, and if it is ISF 1.5 kilometer per kilometer. Okay, Next, after all these calculations, if it is known that the average rate of laying the road is only 2 kilometers per day, listen to me carefully. He should lay 2 kilometers per day, and that NRCB pays bonus for 20 rupees lakh per day to the contractor for early completion of the product or project, and also levies a penalty of 10 lakhs per day on the contractor for delaying the project also. One problem, you'll understand it clearly. See, question number 5, read all of you. What is the cost of laying 160-kilometer rural road made by cement by a type of contractor who works 25% faster than the average rate of laying the road? Okay, 25% faster. Now, actually, average is 160 kilometers. You need to do 2 kilometer per day. That means it should take 80 days to complete the work. Now, since your efficiency is fast, listen, all of you, efficiency, instead of 100% efficiency, you're applying 125% efficiency. That means 4 is to 5. The number of days will be 5 is to 4. So at 100% efficiency, you'll take 5 days. Then at 125 efficiency, you'll take 4 days. So instead of 80, you'll be taking only 64 days to complete the work. So you are finishing the work instead of 80 days, 64 days. So 16 days early, you'll be finishing the work. This is one part of the story. You'll finish the work 16 days early. I hope up to this is clear, everyone.
Yes,
Which
sir.
works 25% faster, he'll be able to save 16 days. And these 16 days, he'll be paid 16 to 20 lakhs according to this statement. For every day he saves, he'll be paid 20 lakhs per day. That means he'll be paid 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs 20,000 rupees, sorry, 320 lakh rupees as bonus because he has finished the work 16 days early. For that 16 days, he'll be earning 320 lakh. Now the total 160 kilometers according to the rate to set 0 to 50, 50 to 100, and then 100 to 160, like that I'll break it. It's a cement road. Cement road will cost up to 50, 12, then 9.6, then 6. So guys, you see this, all of you, up to 50. 50 into how much? Cement road 12, na? And then 50 to 100, next 50 kilometers at a rate of 9.6, and then 60 kilometers at a rate of 6 rupees he'll be paid. So 50 into 12, this is because cement road it is. These are the cost of cement I need to apply. Up to 50, 12 rupees, then 9.6 rupees, then 6 rupees. So I multiplied the break the 160 into these parts. So 12 into 5, 600. 50 into 96 is 480, and this is 360. Add all these, all of you. 300, 1000, 13, 1380, 1440. So from the payment, he'll be earning 1440 plus 320 rupees as bonus. So total 1760 rupees as earning for finishing this contract. Answer is 1760 lakh. Have you all followed this question?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, certainly.
Yes, sir.
How many of you followed, friends? Samir Uzma. Okay. Kiran Mai, Uzma, Rohan. Okay. Great, friends. Wonderful. So I guess you got some idea now. You can try the other questions, friends. It's not a great topic actually. I'll do one more if you want. I have to clear 510 kilometers. 510 kilometers at a rate of 2 per day will take 255 days actually. But since the person is 25% slower, then efficiency, if you see, 100%, he's slower by 25% means 75. That means these are in the ratio of 4 is to 3. Then the days must be 3 is to 4. So normal rate 255. Then what should be this? 3, 8 times 24, 5 times 85 into 4. He's taking 340 days. So 255 to 340, that means 45 plus 40, 85 days extra. So you need to pay a penalty of 85 into 10, 850 lakhs of penalty you need to pay because it's very slow. What is the penalty levied on account of delay in laying 510 kilometers ISF made by bitumen by the contractor 25% slower than laying the roads? So 850 rupees penalty you'll be paying. That's your answer. Is that clear, everyone? Chalo. The last two questions you can try on your own now. There is nothing to teach. Any doubts, friends? And please maintain patience. Your class starts at 6:30. You have to be there up to 8:15 at least. I saw that they started with 17 people. Now there are only 12. This is not done. Like this, the faculties will lose the interest. Other these people are very casual. They'll think this is not a good sign. Make sure that you are here up to 8:15. All of you. Bye bye, all of you. Take care. Try the rest of the two questions.